Hi ladies! So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gawin ng feathered eyebrow tutorial. Ito po ang mga kailangan na i-consider before grooming our eyebrows. Papakita ko muna sa inyo kung gaano kakalat ang aking kilay at kailangan na natin i-groom. First things first is tweezers. Kailangan natin yan. Then eyebrow pen. Kailangan manipis po ang tip. And then spoolie. And lastly, brow soap. Ngayon naman po, kailangan natin malaman kung saan mag-start ang eyebrow head, yung arch, and yung eyebrow tail. Ngayon po ay magmamark na tayo. I'm using an eyebrow pencil from your alar towards the inner corner of your eyes. Doon magsisimula ang head of the eyebrows nyo. Just like that. And then from the alar towards the outer part ng iris nyo, yun naman yung magiging arch ng eyebrows nyo. Tapos yung alar towards the outer corner of your eyes, doon naman po yung tail of your eyebrows. Yan. At least meron na tayong pattern kung ano yung magiging shape ng ating eyebrows, kung paano natin siya i-groom. So, repeat lang natin yung steps sa other eyebrow. Ngayon naman po, ito na yung tiis gandang part, which is pag-pluck ng mga unwanted hairs para naman malinis tingnan. Yan. So, tapos na ako sa kaliwa, ngayon naman sa kanan. Make sure na huwag kayo mag-overpluck, okay? Dapat alam nyo pa rin kung ano yung balance na hindi masyadong manipis or makapal. So, I'm very happy with the result. Now, let's just wipe it clean. Tatanggalin lang natin yung mark para makapagsimula na tayo sa ating eyebrow tutorial. Now, we will be using a brow soap and a spoolie. And then, first, let's just spray it with water or facial mist. Then, i-bend nyo lang yung disposable spoolie nyo, just like that. And then, spray it as well. Tapos, i-swirl nyo sa brow soap. Make sure na may enough kayo, wag masyadong madami. And then, you start brushing upwards. Dapat parang maging bushy brows muna siya. Parang laminated look yung gagawin natin dito. Kasi kailangan plakado siya para malinis tingnan. So, just brush it outwards. Pag na kayo, satisfied na kayo sa pagtaas ng brow hairs. O, diba? Just like that. Para magkaroon pa rin siya ng shape. Hindi siya yung mukhang caterpillar. Actually, sobrang hirap talaga pantayin ng brows, diba? Kasi nga, katulad ng kasabihan, eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. Pero, in my case, gustong-gusto ko pa rin talaga na hawig as much as possible yung eyebrows ko. So there, sinusmooth out ko na lang siya. And I'm really happy with it. Now, we'll be using an eyebrow pen. Magdodrawing kayo ng hair-like strokes. So, kung ano yung direction ng hair nyo sa eyebrows, ganun din gagawin nyo dito. Actually, hindi siya masyadong halata. It's actually kind of natural. Kasi ang color na pinik ko is not black like yung sa hair ko. I made sure na na mas lighter sa hair color. Ganon kasi yun para hindi mag-come off as very strong and masculine yung eyebrows natin. O, diba? Like that. It's still feminine. Ganon din po sa kabila. And hindi ko masyadong ina-emphasize yung arch talaga. Kasi gusto ko parang maamutin. So, there you go. Minimake sure ko lang na yung mga sparse areas na fill in ng maayos. At this point, hindi ako sure if completely balanced na yung left and right eyebrow ko. But I'm really happy with the result. Ayan, diba? I'm so happy! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.